Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister Sanbor Shullai on Friday defended the issuance of a single package tender for the proposed 62 rupees crore state veterinary hospital at 7th Mile, asserting that had the government intended to favour its own contractors, there would have been no need to float an open tender. The clarification came after a delegation of the All Meghalaya Contractor and Supplier Association urged the minister to scrap the existing tender and bifurcate the project by separating the site development component to enable wider participation. Addressing the media after the meeting, association leader Emmanuel CM Malnyang expressed dissatisfaction over the outcome, stating that the minister had conveyed his inability to revoke the tender as the matter falls within the jurisdiction of the tender committee. Responding to allegations that the project package was deliberately kept intact to benefit select contractors, Shullai rejected the claims, maintaining that the open tender process itself reflected transparency and dismissed suggestions of preferential treatment.
Kajungi kenduk kajungi mentasi Minister bagi pejaka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department kadai halor jongka tender ke bala float mansna ya ka state veterinary hospital apa Shullai akaba ya ketika project bakot rupu arkro lakot kawai ke package te nakaliang kajungi ni kenduk minister tajuk opor ila wan kenduk director jongka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department convey the message na kaliang kajungi nang pala ban pia yaki site development works ngimni kran ni ka building beri kran ni site development works nomor ba kat kum kajungi jing tip jungi kalong khatsan crore ka deka building ka cost of building then nang ta like around 30 crores taki medical equipments lab equipments kita for for building but kat new crore for kadika site development works but include ru ya ka staff quarter ke nakaliang kajungi ya kendu yang ba pin pensanyaช่วยกันtanda but pin pa no ban pia chwa khna ma kiwi contractor di register lang di department ru ini yo ni sementara ke nakaliang kajungi minister yang ba karai berok shop tanda committee kalau kayak bos ngolingo first time ni osmo kata nama tamjudan ni kata minister in charge abala thungi minister in charge mo udah mu bolong top most banchim ka decision ka ba try la damu la banchim ta ka penlong yang ni ba min hak perkap pada kawai gelati ngin ya kani kamde kesin kemanikong baca la bunsin nilai kendo minister di kebun di department nilai kendo ya tourism minister ini di menai belada nilai kendo i health minister nilai kendo buat chief minister nilai kendo nilai ada pensngo gini jengnya ngatrai gini baru ki la dan lupa buriau jadi but kadai kata ke we ki sakot kan ka package nomor bah nang bah kiwi local skin nomlak ni mani sementara kan poi bet tu we bre
kadang Meghalaya Contractor Supply Association tu warna ya kadang citi kerpat yang apa kumu minister ban cancel no yang tu tendar kepada ya ka hospital veterinary apa Shullai dia ya kata tengah belak mana ke dulu insurance cancel nomor bah ya ke tender lah hot open tender baru kiba don board ki belum eligible kiba code board bar kiba biang kriteria mkhang you puro kila ability the question ban cancel to dong arise kum bagi kwa maki ban cancel no the dong arise the kasong mamakiru kiba kiru kiwan nang le galau kiba kiru biar ya participate kasong para ka tender committee ban right ban alot dia kalau nang bilu la jong ngam thare ki khot tender bolong le open tender everybody are free to participate mono ru gila bagi badai ki government registered contractor kat kumki kriteria lani ki kendon ki labu la ki biang ki laban participate kasong para ka tender committee ban pej banrai ya kikot kislagi biang dong sodong ko bakalong abro ko gastit ki praktis ko da kita kapakis ko murka hospital da plate bi hospital ki donut ki insentif baru ki berangkam pa hospital ki fencing ine tai ka kawa kalat ka building di hospital ki donut nam da guna sumar ki merat ki bapang bestom kata di building di hospital
Kano maka ka sanction jong di hospital.
Ngaruh gambar kemana mulu mana kalau gua around 60 crore something